How to use the ticket machine at Hykeham Station.
Customers are advised that a ticket machine is now available at the station and you should buy your tickets before boarding the train. We're not boarding, but let's see what we can do. At least we're being honest by London all stations, Newark all stations or Birmingham all stations. But honestly, who goes from Hykeham to York? Let's press all the journeys and see what happens. Oh, we can write it in. So let's go. Right, you know what we're going to do, don't you? We're not going to buy it, we're just going to wind it up to show you how we do it. So we'll press how many's going. I'm not 18, I'm 23, so let's put that in. I'm not going to rail card it. Let's go next. Let's say we're leaving today going one way. So much it cost per operator. We can always cancel it. That is cheap. To go from here to Llanfair po Gwyngath, not even £70. Even though it takes 6 hours. So you can go any time of day on that. We're not going to buy it. It's just to show you how we work it. So who says rail's expensive? That's one way. If we say we are having a return, but we're going to go other and say Wednesday and confirm that in and press the button again, which now won't respond. I think I've broken it. No, I haven't. Here we go. It's thinking. £82.80 to go from the middle of the East Midlands to North Wales. How is rail travel expensive? Additionally, you can collect your smart card while someone else is using it by just placing it down there in the reader. Pretty straightforward. Buy your ticket before boarding, otherwise you may have to pay a penalty fare.